Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here. And of course, the glorious moment that most of us have been waiting for has finally arrived. We are going to finally unbox the December, yeah, you heard it right, the December sub box from Cloth and Paper. We're going to be unboxing it. We're going to be setting it up. Timestamp will be in the description as always, so you can just skip to the part if you want to see where it's actually going to land in my planner. And then just stay tuned and let's hop right in. And of course, if you are brand new, I'm so glad that you are here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm so excited. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. We chat at least 1 to 2 times a week on this channel, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning, but with a little bit of an infusion of mindfulness and consciousness, and how we can really work together with these beautiful tools in the most meaningful way. So if that sounds good, you would probably really like it here. Okay, why don't we just unbox this guy? And I also just total side note that has nothing to do with anything, but I have to address the sweater. Oh my gosh. Literally about 2 minutes before I started filming, I just received my brand new Peloton sweater. You can't see the whole thing. I will pop a picture of it here as I'm sporting it. So excited. It's totally not what I expected. So anyways, moving on. You know what happens when you have an awesome brand new sweatshirt and it's, it just fills in all the gaps. It fits the bill. I try to stay away from a lot of sneak peeks and the spoilers, so I really wanted to be actually surprised, because I kind of know at least one thing that's in the box, but not the whole thing. Okay, so I feel like this is as good as it's gonna get with this box right now. Can never really preserve this, not even going to try. Whoa, there's a lot of things going on here. So I knew about the desk calendar, but let me just get everything out of the box and then we will go through it together. You guys know the drill. Here we go. Let's take a look. So it looks like we have the little desk calendar. This is what she looks like. Then we have some, looks like they're really getting into micro or mini lifestyle stickers and icons, but they're really using this thick adhesive. So this one is for shopping. Okay, so we have shopping, laundry, cleaning, an appointment, I guess, food. Oh, there we go. So shopping, laundry, cleaning, appointment, meal, and delivery icons. All right, not bad. Then we will kind of dive into all of the cards. Then we also have some text dividers. So we have important, follow-up, due, today, and this month. Interesting. We will have to play along with that and see sort of what happens. I'm really vibing with this greenish taupey gray situation. I don't know if you guys can see the color. Super cute. So these ones are spotlights. Looks like there's a bunch of different shapes. So you have 40 small, 28 medium, 15 large, and ristretto. Okay, so I guess that's the color that we're going with. So I knew about this. So this has the entire alphabet on it, and then you're supposed to highlight what your word of the year is. Then we have a clear dashboard for gratitude, which you guys know that I'm going to be vibing with that. And we have, what is this? Visual manifesto. It's a vision board. Okay. I feel like vision boarding, if you guys are interested, I actually have a separate planner. I don't know if any of you remember this from, this is actually from one of the sub boxes back in the day that I received from Erin Condren, where she had a full vision board, a full vision board situation. It's a full booklet that was designed for that. So it would be really interesting, and maybe in a separate video I will kind of create a vision board with each of them, and you guys can kind of compare. Those were the good old days. Okay, and then habitual. Okay, what is this? Arched habit tracker. I don't know if I'm a huge habit tracker person, but ooh, I think I've seen this one actually. Okay, let's unpack everything. Let me bring over my planner and then we can get started. Okay, so I unboxed everything and let's begin first with this guy with the desk calendar, which is, I feel like, probably the simplest thing to unbox. Wow. Very, very beautiful. First of all, I really appreciate the fact that the way that they are kind of putting even like their packaging together. Oops. So even like the packaging, like look at this, you have like this clear plastic holder, and then before I dropped it, you have basically a wooden base, so very beautiful quality. Can kind of get rid of that. It looks like I already set up, and then you have like this little clear sort of divider, and there you are. There you go. So you can kind of lean back a little bit. Very cute. Let's set her aside. Next up, let's talk about some of the dashboards. So this is the one that I was like the most excited about, and hopefully this is not too, let me turn this down so you can kind of see. Oh, here we go. So now the camera actually picks up the texture. And so here you have like obviously the alphabet, and then you can kind of highlight what your word of the week is, or I mean word of the year. So I feel like this should actually come to the very front, even though I already have quite a few things going on here. But I feel like we will have to layer it somewhere. Maybe here, this would look nice. Or we can start it here. We will have to find a home for you. Okay, let's take a look at, actually, you know what we can do that I think would look really pretty is just kind of layer them up. Not bad. I have to show you guys this, even though this was in my previous video because we just talked about it. I'm never tired of talking to you about this. Look at this. Actually, I think that these would look really, really pretty together. Even though I really appreciate the believe in yourself, like I think that this combo looks really pretty together, but this ain't half bad. Okay, let me get you guys zoomed in. Look at that. So yeah, we'll play around with the dashboards, and as per usual, you guys probably already know, all of the packaging I generally like to save, because then whatever I remove from the planner, I usually just put it back into its little slot, which is always lovely. And I wanted to take a closer look at these dividers. Actually, that's what's intriguing me right now. That's what's calling my name. I want to really do like a quick little test, because I was so hoping like this would look so cool. I don't know. Is this just me? It would look so cool if this was actually clear. Do you know what I mean? Instead of paper. Like I kind of get the premise that you can put it at the very top. Unless of course you already have your top tabs like this girl. Like I feel like this would be really nice like on your page, like kind of sectioning things off. So that looks really nice. But even here it's kind of popping up. So I don't know. We will have to kind of play around with it, see how it goes. And I wanted to go into the section for mindfulness. So it's going to be under wellness. Oh, that's like a whole thing. Okay, let's take a look. So visual manifesto, year preparation, vision board, mood board, year in a review. Totally different than what I have done or what I had in the past. It's not better or worse, it's just different. You know what I mean? I feel like this entire insert can actually just come in here. I think this is goodtimes.com right here. Okay, let's take a look at this one, habitual. I have to say this habit tracker is so darn cute. So cute. Okay, there's quite a few. I don't think we need this many, So what I would like to do, so we will just keep the rest. Yeah. So I will just set aside the rest. We can just kind of save that almost for a rainy day. Not really, you know what I mean? Let's just, because I have quite a few of these, just, what are you? Just notes. So I feel like we can put it in here. And they can all kind of go under wellness. And I'm good with that. Yeah, not too shabby. Let's take a look at some of the cards and see what we can swap out at the front here, because I didn't really leave a ton of things in here. So we have the card for February. I have to say, I do appreciate this setup a little bit more. It's a little bit easier to see, a little bit, I don't know, just a little bit more cohesive. Rules for living well. Breathe intentionally, prioritize quality sleep, simplify your schedule, and notice your thoughts. I would also add, set beautiful boundaries and notice the good things in your life. But that's just me. Okay, why don't we, I still really, really love this. This is from Kolourcafe. So I feel like we can kind of, we're doing some layering action. Ooh, look at you. Reflection, time for reflection. And what else? Striving makes muses, striving makes muses. I like it. I feel like we can kind of layer that in here somewhere into one of these. I will have to show you guys how I ended up setting these guys up, because I never really know at the moment of unboxing. That's too much pressure, too much emotional pressure for me. But at least for the time being, this is kind of where we're at right now. I feel like there's usually like a lot more. Okay, let's take a look at these. I really wanted to see these. Maybe we'll do a swatch. In case you're kind of contemplating on picking it up, I do have a couple of like these micro icons, and it's actually smaller. Like, look at that. Okay, they're super stuck together. Let's just pick one. So let's pick laundry, which Lord knows I will never use in my planner. I don't know, for some reason, like I used to have like sheets and sheets of like laundry stickers. Looks like it's super faint, like very, very dainty, very delicate, small. Just to compare it to like the tiny icons from Kolourcafe, like look how strong this is versus, trying to give you like a white background here. There we go. There is a realistic comparison between the two. Can you tell the difference? This is way too tiny. So definitely tweezers will be needed. Here's some shopping ones. So I think that they're very like lifestyle related more than anything else, and which is okay if that's what you need, you know what I mean, then it's great. Okay, this one is like food delivery service. Then it's meals, appointments, and cleaning. Yeah, I don't think I will be using these, to be honest. I don't really want to start using them. Like, I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to say never, because sometimes I end up using them, but I usually use workout related ones and then just track that instead. But that's the close-up of that. This is basically all I have for you. Short and sweet. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and you can give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video, and you can also subscribe if you have not yet already, and just keep planning, you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.